What's up, everybody? It's Tia. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming with my makeup routine. It has been requested several times, so I said I'm gonna break up all these hair videos and do my makeup routine. So this is definitely a routine, honey, and it ain't nobody's tutorial, cause I ain't no makeup artist by any means, and I don't put myself out to be one. So I'm gonna start with my brows. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the color Blackest Brown. I got it from the beauty supply store. It has a spoolie and a retractable tip. I see why nobody talk while doing their brows. It done took me 4 minutes to do my brows. So I conceal underneath and on top with LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee. See, I've carved my brows out with the concealer, and I'm gonna take a beauty blender, a beauty sponge, and just I drag my under eye concealer down over my lid, and then above my brow I just blend it out. Okay, so once I got my brows somewhat decent, I I go to my foundation. So I'm just gonna use my Urban Decay till I run out. This was my first time trying it. I've had it a while. This is Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. It's full coverage. It has a matte finish and it's oil free. My skin is, I guess it's combination. I'm dry through here in my forehead, but my T-zone oils up. So up in here, I oil up. I'm just one of those people that has not found my foundation, like my holy grail. I haven't found it yet. So I want to try Estee Lauder. It has a pump on it, y'all. Y'all suggest some more. I still haven't tried Fenty, so that's on my list. Every time I've attempted to buy Fenty, somebody has talked me out of it, saying that it's ashy and dry, or that it's dry. Is that true? I don't think that's true, y'all. I'm using a Sonia Kashuk foundation, flat top foundation brush. I got it from Target, and I love it. What color? I am a 9.75 in Urban Decay. That's my shade. Shade 9.75. So, you know, for anybody wondering. I know I need some Vaseline on my lips. Lord. And I gotta catch that neck, baby. Catch that neck. The chin on the chin, all that. When I could take my time, baby, I be looking good. But when I be rushing, ooh, I still be looking good. Y'all thought I was gonna say I look rough, huh? Never that. I'm just playing, y'all. So yeah, y'all see how good this brush do? There's a makeup artist somewhere watching this cringing, honey. This my tutorial though. This my routine. So from here, I get that Toffee LA Girl again, and I highlight. Oh, my friend Zen. Do y'all remember Zen from my ATL vlog? When I do Zen makeup, I be making my makeup faces as it be copying me. I have to show y'all, I did Zen's makeup. In that Atlanta video, I did her makeup. And I also did it, we were in Atlanta for another wedding. Like 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. Oh, yes, we're getting somewhere. I also have this Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Setting Powder. I got this in like a birthday gift bag or some kind of set from either Sephora or Ulta. And I'm going to take a more pointed end beauty sponge and put this where I highlighted. We're gonna tap it in. Tap, tap, tap in. Shout out to Sweetie. I know my girl be watching my videos. Y'all know I'm just joking, right? I don't know, Sweetie might watch my videos. I might have sent this to her. Tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Alright. So, I take my foundation brush and I use the side of it and knock the excess off. All right. All right, then I'm gonna take LA Girl Pro and I'm just going to look, I always know the word, but today I don't know it. I'm gonna, define my nose. Contour, that's what it is. This is LA Girl Pro in the color Mahogany. So it's really chocolate. It's really a chocolate color. So I'm gonna go light with it, very light. And then I take my pointed one and I use the back side. Do like that. Had a brief intermission there, y'all. I had a phone call I had to take, but buffing my contour out. Make sure it's not too hard. And that's pretty much it for my face. I'm gonna go in with Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara and prep for lashes. Okay, so I get this brand from the beauty supply store, Poppy and Ivy. I had a multi-pack and I think I'm going to reuse those and save the Alexa lashes for tomorrow. If I can find the name for these, I will put it in the description. I know this is the style number of the ones that I'm about to put on and I'm reusing them. So yes. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I have like nowhere to go today. Well, this is Mother's Day weekend approaching, so I do need to run out and get some last minute things for my mom. So yes, I'll just be going somewhere looking cute, honey. And it's pretty outside. I'm gonna take my drop top out. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in black. This is not my favorite. I actually prefer this. I get it from Dollar General, y'all. And it is the best lash glue. And I don't know if somebody put it in a YouTube video and put people on, but I can't find it like talking about anymore. And it has like the wand on it. And it's a little thinner consistency than this. But it's perfect. I don't have no problems with it. It doesn't irritate me. None of that. Lashes test your patience. A classic combo for me. I take MAC's Antique Velvet matte lipstick and I outline my lips with it. I put a pink nude situation in the middle, or sometimes I do clear. I just bought a clear gloss last night, so let's see. Okay, I might add a little pink. I think I went too heavy on the brown. And let me put some earrings on and come back and do my closing. It's basic, it's inexpensive. Oh, let me mention this. This is the other This is like the foundation that I alternate between. If I don't use the Urban Decay, I use the L'Oreal Paris True Match in Cappuccino, N8 Cappuccino. So yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.